Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing how to do the braid method two-strand twist using Afro Kinky braiding hair or Mali braiding hair. With that said, let's go straight into the process. So right here, I'm going ahead to make a session for the twist. So you want to go ahead and make the session. If you're using a medium size session, so you're gonna make the session for that. So for me, I'm doing a small size twist. So for that, I'm only going to be using one strand of the Afro Kinky hair. So to start, I'm going ahead to make sure that the length of the Afro Kinky hair is even by folding it in half. And after that, I'm pulling on the hair to stretch it a little bit. I'm not doing too much of fluffing out the hair. I just pull on it to stretch it out a bit. So right here, you want to locate the middle point of the braiding hair and pinch it in place, just like I'm doing in this video, because we're not going to be taking hair from the other side. So you want to make sure you have the hair right the first time by making sure you are holding it at the middle point so you have the same length of hair all the way. So once that is done, you want to go ahead and divide the section of the hair into two. So we're going to be using one of the hair as the third leg for the starting of the braid. So one of the section of the hair on the lace closure as the third leg for the starting of the braid. So right now I'm just going ahead to start braiding the hair. So you want to make sure you are holding it firmly as you are braiding the hair. And try your possible best not to take any strands from the other side of the African hair, because that will mess up the whole thing and make the process even longer by trying to detangle and all of that. So we don't want that. We want to make sure not to take any strands from the other side of the African braiding hair. So once you have a firm braid at the root of the hair, you can braid a little bit more if you prefer that. But for me, after having the firm braid on the root, so right here, I'm going to be taking that strand, that section of hair we use as the third leg for the braid. I'm going to be adding it to the other end of the Afro Kinky hair right here. So now I'm going ahead to start the twisting process. So once you have enough braided roots for the twist, then you can combine the section you use as a third leg to one of those to the other one of this the Afro Kinky braided hair in order to do the twist. I'm not doing a tight twist. I still want the twist to be a bit fluffy, so I'm just lightly um wrapping and twisting the hair around each other. Just twist and wrap around to create the twist. So it's a bit of a loose kind of twist, but not too loose, just firm enough to maintain that fluffy look for the twist. So I twisted the hair all the way down. So getting to the tip of the hair. So at this part, you can, if you want that coily look to the end of the twist, then you can ease the tightness on the twist once you get to the bottom and just twist it lightly. So once you twist it all the way down, go ahead and cut off the tip of the hair. Next, you wrap and twist the end together to seal it in place. All right. So this is it right here. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys one more time the braid method for the two-strand twist. So yeah, again, doing the same thing. Once you have your session, take the hair you're going to be using and make sure to fold it in half to ensure that the lengths are even at the bottom. So once that is done, pinch the middle part in in place or the middle point in place just like this. Now separate the hair that you section into two to get the third leg for the braid. Think you can see the angle a lot better on this clip than the previous clip I showed. So right here, this is what I am doing. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch the process from here on. So again, once you have the firm braid at the root, so you can braid a little bit more, like I said, but once you have the firm braid at the root, you can then transition into twisting the hair by combining those, by adding the third leg to one side of the Afro Kinky braided hair to start the twisting. Okay, so here you go. Look at that. Beautiful. So as you can see, I only use the braid method to have the firm grip on the root, to have the firm root. This will also give you a long lasting uh, twist hairstyle. So doing the braid method help to give you a long lasting hairstyle. If you're doing it on yourself or you're doing it on a wig, this is a firm base for a long lasting wig. All right, guys, so we've come to the end of this video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.